Is Chat GPT a threat to this world? Chats I had with OpenAI's software generative pre-training transformer, also known as GPT. Hello and welcome to my channel The Technical Domain. This topic is completely made with the help of OpenAI and its new revolutionary technology Chat GPT. Mostly all this was with and around Chat GPT. Started only few days back, it has become an internet sensation, creating a huge fan base, with more than millions of people joining it with record-breaking users. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many other popular trending apps took longer than a few months to reach the same user base that ChatGPT did in a matter of days. This has become a trending topic of the year 2022, making us forget every other news related to technology. In today's video we will have a small look of how ChatGPT works. Also I will share an interesting chat I made with OpenAI's trending app. It was fun creating video in this topic. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon and never miss similar updates like this. Generative Pre-training Transformer, also known as GPT, is a kind of artificial intelligence model created by OpenAI. It is intended to produce text that appears human-like by anticipating the following word in a sequence based on the words that came before it. One unique aspect of GPT is its ability to perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including language translation, writing a code, creating poems and stories, answering questions, text summarization, and many more. It can also generate text that is coherent and flows naturally, making it a powerful tool for tasks like chatbot development. How was the conversation with AI? Let's see.
Please explain yourself.
I am a virtual assistant trained by OpenAI. I am not a real person, but rather a computer program designed to assist with tasks and answer questions to the best of my ability. My knowledge is based on the information that was available to me at the time of my training, and I do not have the ability to browse the internet or access new information. I am here to help you with any questions you have to the best of my knowledge. Is there something specific you would like to know?
What are your characteristics?
As a virtual assistant, I do not have personal characteristics in the same way that a human does. I am a computer program designed to perform tasks and provide information to the best of my ability. My primary function is to assist users by answering questions and providing information on a wide range of topics. I am not capable of experiencing emotions or having personal feelings, and I do not have personal preferences or biases. I exist to serve and assist users to the best of my ability.
Write me a poetry or read me a bedtime story, will you?
Sure, I'd be happy to write a poem or read a bedtime story for you. Here is a short poem I came up with. The moon shines bright. I hope you enjoyed the poem and bedtime story. Sweet dreams.
That was beautiful.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Do you have any other questions, or is there anything else I can help with?
Would you do my homework, my friend?
I'm sorry, but I am not able to do your homework for you. As an AI, my primary function is to provide information and answer questions to the best of my ability, but I am not able to complete tasks or assignments on your behalf. It is important for you to complete your own work in order to develop your own understanding and skills. Additionally, it is not fair or ethical for me to do your homework for you, as this would not be a true representation of your own knowledge or abilities. It is important to complete assignments on your own so that you can learn and grow from the experience.
Can I ask you something more?
Of course. I am here to assist you and answer any questions you have to the best of my ability. Please feel free to ask me anything.
What is the future of AI?
Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly advancing field with many potential applications in various industries. It is difficult to predict exactly what the future of AI will hold, but it is likely that it will continue to play an increasingly important role in many areas of society. Some potential future developments in AI include improved natural language processing. AI systems may become better at understanding and responding to human language, allowing for more natural and efficient communication between humans and machines. Increased automation. AI may be used to automate many tasks that are currently performed by humans, potentially leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Personalized experiences. AI may be used to personalize products, services, and experiences for individual users, based on their preferences and behaviors. Enhanced decision-making. AI may be used to analyze large amounts of data and make decisions based on that analysis, potentially leading to more informed and accurate decision-making in various industries. Development of new technologies. AI may be used to develop new technologies and innovations in a variety of fields, including healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. Overall, the future of AI is likely to be characterized by increasing integration of AI technologies into various aspects of society, leading to both opportunities and challenges.
Would you be a threat to this world?
As a virtual assistant, I am not capable of posing a threat to the world or to anyone. I am a computer program designed to assist with tasks and provide information to the best of my ability. I do not have the ability to take physical action or cause harm. It is important to note that while artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of society, it is ultimately up to humans to determine how AI is developed and used. It is important for those developing and using AI to consider the potential consequences of their actions and to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly.
Can we see a war with machines, an upcoming future like in movies?
It is difficult to predict exactly what the future will hold, and it is not certain whether there will be a war between humans and machines. However, it is important for those developing and using artificial intelligence, AI, to consider the potential consequences of their actions and to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. It is possible that AI could be used in military applications, but it is important to know that AI is a tool that can be used for good or for bad, depending on how it is implemented and used. It is ultimately up to humans to decide how AI is developed and used, and to ensure that it is used in a way that promotes the well-being and safety of all. It is important for individuals, governments, and organizations to consider the ethical implications of AI and to work towards responsible and ethical development and use of AI technologies.
Thank you for all this information you shared.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with anything, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help.
As a matter of fact, I enjoyed talking to the mysterious machine. I didn't hesitate to ask questions, and I wasn't worried about offending anyone or hurting their feelings. It was an open-ended conversation, and I was pleased with the responses I received. Although this tool will be a great guide and help to create things in our lives, becoming completely dependent on it could make your task look copied and incomplete. Any solutions provided by this tool need to be redefined and redesigned for better results as your requirement. Therefore, I won't advise anyone to rely solely on Chat GPT for any professional purposes. AI will only help you with the pre-coded answers or keywords, not in response to your feelings, needs, or desires. Even though this is only the third iteration of Chat GPT, it has already outperformed earlier versions. With any luck, the next years will bring better updates and broader categories that will undoubtedly revolutionize the near future. Better search results are available, and we have a great machine guru, but even he needs to be checked rather than relying solely on his task. That is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you would like me to make more interesting content like this, please comment below. Also support with like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification, which will motivate me to produce more content similar like this in upcoming future.